Hello traders, and today I want to show you how this indicator, because most of the people seem to be interested in this indicator, and I want to show you, I want to repeat how this thing works, because this thing is not the way you think. Not every arrow here makes sense. No, the only arrow here that they need to be traded. So I've sent a signal for a buy on boom 1000, because this is my boom 1000. Okay, so the signal was a buy. So the signal was generated here when we had an uptrend, and then the signal, can see the buy signal came in on uptrend, and then there was also another signal for buy here. Okay, then I said close because we don't have to wait for stop loss. If the reverse signal generates, like this signal was generated here and a buy signal was generated around here, okay, you just have to close the trade, because we don't know if the spike will happen. We don't know about that, so just have to close the trade in loss. But that closing a trade in loss does not mean this indicator is not profitable. Let me show you some few setup that you missed. Let's say you trade against you trade with the spikes. So yesterday this was a nice opportunity, though I didn't send this signal. I don't trade spikes because of reasons why I don't trade them. So this was a nice buy. You can see this an uptrend, then after the uptrend started somewhere here, then we get a signal for a buy here. So your stop loss is just 31 pips, and then your TP just 31 pips. Don't go for more. Then there was this signal that I sent yesterday that lost big time. This one lost big time, but there's a reason why we lost this trade, because it didn't even go into profit, just small profit, then spike back up, hit our stop loss. Our stop loss was around this level here, and the reason why we lost this trade is because this trade was a very strong level of, can see this level here, this strong level of support. Yeah, if I was trading the price action itself, I could not have taken a sell around this area, because I was following the indicator signal. You just have to take the trade. If you are following the signal, you just have to take the trade. But you can include some filter. These are called filter. When you see a signal generating a sell, if you see a sell generating at strong level of support, you don't have to take the trade. That's also another advantage. So that's a filter. Okay, another thing, if you get a sell that is being generated and the RSI is at 30, don't take the signal, because you lose there's chances you might lose that signal, because at 30 the price has to change, or at 70 the price has high chances of changing the direction. I'll show you as we go down to other to crash 1000 and crash 500. So this was a nice buy winner here, and this was a crazy loss. I can say a crazy loss because it didn't even go into profit, though there is also some chances that we could have closed this trade without hitting our stop loss, yeah, with a small loss. And this is the best part of this indicator. You don't have to wait for stop loss. Stop loss has no meaning here. You just have to wait for the reverse signal. If this was a sell, can see we sold here, and then when the reverse signal came in for a buy, you just have to close that trade in a small loss, because these signals here, they play very major. They don't ignore them. They can do wonders. Let me say they do wonders, because you can see when this buy signal was generated, then the market spike up and hit our stop loss. But if you don't want those stop loss, if you don't like stop loss, then it means that when this sell signal generates, you enter into a trade. You need to be around, so that when this buy signal generates before your TP is hit, you need to close that signal. You need to close that trade. Okay, then there's also another way. If this signal does not generate, there's another way you can close the trade. You can close the trade when the black line candle closes the crosses the small dotted black line. You can see here, when this candle past this, crosses this dotted black line, you just have to close your trade there. This is also another exit entry area. Okay. Another important about this line also, it can also help you to hold a trade for long. For instance, if you are taking this trade here, and uh, your analysis is telling you that this buy signal will go for a long time, then you can exit when the candle closes the dotted line. So that is your final exit. Don't have to wait for big reversal signal here. That's a nice way. So let me go to another one and check first. So yesterday I sent a signal here. Can remember this signal here, but this was not on the trend. This was also I added some my confluences, the TBSS. I added some TBSS here. When the sell signal confirmed, then I added some sales, and the trade went nicely down. So let's check on the trend, on this trend. So on this trend we had a sell signal here, which end up winning, can see. And then this was overnight, and this was early in the morning. Very I think it was around very early in the morning, around 1 or 2. So this sell signal was also generated around here, which was also nice, ended up winning. So those are two nice signal generated by this indicator on the trend. Okay. So currently we don't have one. Can see all these sell signal. These are sell signal, but this signal is happening when the market is when the indicator is showing an uptrend. So this is an uptrend, but the signal is a sell, so you don't take that signal. Okay. If you go with the spikes, then this could be a nice opportunity to buy. So you're an uptrend, and then the signal came here for a buy. Ignore the sell signal on an uptrend, like this one, like this one, like this one. Also this should ignore it, but I added some confluence, that's why I sent the signal. Okay, so that was yesterday and today. So let me go to crash 1000. Crash 1000 yesterday was trending down, so it could have taken all the sell signals only. So signal only, sell signal only. Then there was this one that I sent, but I sent it too late, the buy signal here. So this buy signal yesterday was it went into profit before crashing back down. So this was the perfect entry, though I sent it late around this area. That's why I said it should be a break even. So here, so market went up, then crashed back down. Can see when it crashed big, that's the time when the dot was coming in, when the arrow was coming in. But if it closed when the dotted black line, can see the dotted black line here, when the first candle came in, because this 5 minutes candle, before the 5 minute candle in, there was 1 minute. So the 1 minute crashed, then could have closed there with some small profit. Okay, so before, though our TP was bit high, our TP was around here, so we missed our TP. But the fact that the trade was in nice profit, could have closed with, because around here to here, this is around 1 to 1, so it already hit 1 to 1. So, and that's that's the disadvantage of trading this indicator. You need to get into an exact entry. When the arrow appears, that's the exact time you need to enter. If you wait when the market has gone, it may give you a bad timing. So you will have a bad timing to close your trade. You may be forced to close even in stop loss, but it was a nice trade. Then around here we had a sell. You can see, if you like trading the sell, there was a sell generated here, but I've told you you just have to close. If the sell does not happen the way you wanted, though there was a sell signal, then another buy signal came in, just have to close, because there's another reverse signal. There's another reverse signal, just have to close that sell signal, then take small loss, then you wait. So the market start trending up, then we got a buy signal around this level. So you can see we are not around the 70, we are at this level, market is trending, so we are above the 70. So I could have ignored this signal too because it's already above the 70. But if you want to risk, this signal was good. It's a buy. Could have taken your trade. Then the market start messing up like that. So we got another buy signal here again. Here around the 70. If you're taking the trade, if you're taking the risk, it's okay too. Then a stop loss below here, and then 1-to-1 could be happening. If your stop loss was wider, then you should be in this trade, though we have a sell signal here, so could have closed this at break even. I think this was a break even. Here and here it's a break even, but it went into a nice profit. So those are some nice, can see you don't lose that easily. You don't lose that easily when you are trading this. Yeah, not easy. It's not that easy. If you take this signal, no, you won't be losing that easy. Yeah. Okay, so let me check crash 500. And crash 500 yesterday we get a sell. There was another sell here. If you like going with the spike, yeah, could have taken this, not bad. Yeah, trend was starting right here, the signal generated, so nice. And then here there was nothing. Then there was this buy signal that we took also. Can remember this one. Around here it went up hitting our TP, which was also nice. And then this was on an uptrend, then the signal generated for a buy, and then we have this one that's running. So this uptrend here, there's no signal that was generated, so sometimes you miss something nice like this one. So on this we have a buy signal here, and see a buy signal here at 70. You can see at 70 you can decide to leave the trade. At 70 there always chances that the market may spike down or reverse, but if you are taking the risk, could be in a trade by now, should be in a trade by now. Stop loss here and your TP around here. So a stop loss and your TP, because this one's likely, let me check on 1 hour. So the 1 hour is trending up, so not bad, you can still take that risk. Let me check 15 minutes. Okay, it's likely it can spike, but we are not sure. But if you are taking the risk, there's chances that this trade may hit your TP, though the risk is higher because the RSI is already at 70. So these are filters. So RSI is just a filter that you need to also consider. Yeah, so your avoiding signal like this one also can help. So only taking signal that are happening at the start or the middle of the trend, because this trend has already gone for a while and the signal is generating when the trend has gone for a while. You can just ignore that. So that is some few. So you can see now our boom 1000 has just boom up. Okay, so there's high chances that the signal of a buy may generate again. If a signal of a buy generate again and we are still on uptrend, you just take the trade. Why not? Because we are following the indicator and you have to follow the indicator. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. So if a signal is generated for a buy signal here and you're still on uptrend, why not take the trade? Take the trade, and you can see we are not even around the 70. So there's big chances that boom 1000 will still go up. So that's a few recap about this indicator, but we are planning this indicator. I think it will be free on VIP. Yeah, you can also, if you join our VIP, you'll find the indicator there. You can download it and you can use it to trade boom 1000 and boom and crash 1000 if you like. Remember, only 5 minutes. Don't go for 1 minute. Only 5 minutes. It works best on 5 minutes. Yeah. So, if you don't want to join our VIP, because our VIP is around $30, there's money back guarantee. Money back guarantee, I mean, if you purchase this indicator and you test it, you follow all the signal, and it does not make you returns within the 14 days, why not? Why not refund your money? Uh uh you don't need money that will not bring joy to us. Just, we are helping each other. We are helping each other, and that's why we don't need money that it will bring a lot of issues to our lives. No, those money are not good. We are not scammers here. We are not scammers. That's why we refund your money if it doesn't bring you profit that you want. Okay, that's what we can say. So you can PM me for the indicator, and thank you so much.